How to make money online. 10 best ways. Making money online isn't as simple as it may seem. While there are many ways to make money, some are easier than others. In this blog post we'll cover the top 10 ways to make money online in 2022. Whether you're just getting started or you want to increase the amount of income you earn from your blog, these ideas will help you succeed. Affiliate marketing. If you're looking to make money online by promoting other people's products, affiliate marketing is the way to go. In this type of online marketing, you are paid for referring customers to the company that makes the product you're promoting. There are several affiliate networks that you can join and promote products from a variety of niche sites, including e-commerce stores like Amazon. There are many different affiliate networks, so read reviews to find the right one for you. Create and sell digital products. There are many ways to make money online by selling digital products. In this method, you don't have to create anything. But you do need to create a product that people are willing to buy. The tools you need to get started in this business include your own website, a digital product like an ebook, an e-commerce store like Shopify or Amazon, and an affiliate network. You can create a free or paid product and sell it on your own website or in an e-commerce store. This can be a membership site or course, a downloadable product, or an electronic product like an e-book or software. Create and sell ebooks on Amazon. Ebooks are a great way to make money online. They can be sold on platforms like Amazon's Kindle Direct Publishing (KDP) program or Apple's iBook Store. You can also sell ebooks on your own website. There are many different niches you can choose from to create specific, relevant ebooks. Once you have a product for sale, the next step is to get the book on Amazon. To do that, you'll need an Amazon account, which will allow you to upload your ebooks. You can also use a tool like Weebly to create a website that directs people to Amazon. You can then use Amazon's Help feature to learn how to add your ebooks to the store. Become an influential blogger or writer. There are many different ways to make money online as a blogger or writer. Some of the most common online writing jobs are articles for websites, blogs, and magazines. You can also create ebooks and sell them on Amazon. You can also try your hand at paid and free writing assignments, like copywriting and translation jobs. With a little research, you can find plenty of online writing opportunities. You can also set up a virtual writing business, which can help you stay organized and make money while you write wherever you want. You can also look into virtual assistants and freelance networks. Start a YouTube channel. If you have a good idea and a great personality, you can make money online by starting a YouTube channel. The first step is to find a good niche to write about. Once you have the niche, you can create a video on your topic and post it on YouTube. You can then use the videos you make to generate traffic to your website, sell ebooks, or generate more videos for your channel to earn money. There are a variety of ways to monetize your channel, including ads for sponsored content, YouTube's partner program, and sponsors for certain videos. Dropshipping. Dedicated online stores called e-commerce platforms, also called dropshippers, help you start a business selling physical products. You first create a product listing and it is then sold through the platform's network of suppliers. You are paid a commission when a customer buys your product from the platform. Once you have a product, you can list it on a number of different e-commerce platforms. There are a number of different dropshippers, so carefully review the reviews of each one to make sure it is a good fit for you. FBA, Fulfillment by Amazon. Fulfillment by Amazon, FBA, allows you to buy and resell products from other sellers on Amazon. This can be a great way to make money online. All you have to do is purchase items from other sellers on Amazon and then sell them on your website. That's all there is to it. You can also track what is selling on your website so that you can make adjustments to your inventory to ensure it is selling as well as it can. FBA is an easy way to get your products out on Amazon and earn money by selling them again. Writing and translation services. There are many different ways to make money online as a writer. One popular way is to sell ebooks, which are another form of digital products. Another popular way is to write and publish articles on websites like content.com.au and earn money from online advertising. There are also lots of options for writing and translation jobs on sites like Upwork. You can also look for unique paid writing and translation gigs on sites like peopleperhour.com and freelancer.com. There are many different ways to make money online as a writer. E-commerce. E-commerce platforms like Shopify and WooCommerce help you start an online store. You create your online store using the tools provided by the platform and then sell your products using Amazon, Etsy, or your own website. After you have an online store, the next step is to make it as attractive as possible to attract more customers. You can use tools like Shopify and WooCommerce to help you build your online store. Private label rights. Private label rights are another way to see quick profits. They allow you to purchase a piece of IP that allows you to create your own product and brand. When you use this IP, you are able to sell or license them out to other companies. Private label rights are a great way to make money online, because they allow you to create your own product and brand. In a short period of time, you can earn profits by selling them out. Conclusion. Making money online has never been easier with the online revolution. The best way to start making money online is to find a method that works for you and stick with it. Once you find a method that works for you, don't ever stop improving and learning new things to stay on top of your game. The internet has changed the way we work and live. There are many ways to make money online, but you can only succeed if you put in the work and are willing to go out of the way to find ways to make money online. The sooner you start, the sooner you will be able to quit your 9-to-5 job and make money online doing what you love.